First electric Ferrari, 2025. The brand name Ferrari has always been the epitome of luxury and perfection. Starting the company as a simple sports car, it has now become one of the top-notch automobile industries and a dream of every person. Recently complying with the latest technology, Ferrari has announced to launch the first-ever electric Ferrari after 4 years. Here is the first electric Ferrari 2025. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Success Tank. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Also, comment "I subscribed" and we will personally respond to each of your comments. Models. Ferrari knows the concept of innovation quite well. It has been using mild hybrid systems to boost power since its 2013 Ferrari. In the year 2019, the brand came up with the first regular plug-in hybrid SF90 straight ale. Although it was one of the major successes with both the automotive press and enthusiasts, the model was never convinced with the concept of electrification. But now, Ferrari is very serious about launching its first-ever electric car. The makers of the automobile industry have already started looking for new members to make the best team that will produce the most luxurious electric car. However, this electric car will also cater to a certain niche just like the other models of Ferrari. The company, however, is still not sure if it wants to convert the whole collection of automobiles into electric automobiles or not. 5. Battery. Ferrari has also highlighted perfection in every sense. It has become the best automobile vehicle in the world. It is also known for giving customers the best experience in the world. The engineers are still struggling to make the perfect battery for the vehicles. Camilleri stated to the reporters that battery technology is still not perfect, and there are still a lot of issues, such as the issue of recharging. That is why Ferrari did not rush into making an electric vehicle. It announced that it will take some time and will reveal the car after a few years in a highly disciplined way. The makers also revealed that it is the best way to bring uniqueness and passion to the vehicle. 4. Official statements. With over 80 years of manufacturing and experience, Ferrari has been able to get to the list of top-notch names. Now that the world is moving away from fossil fuels and going more towards renewable energy resources, the makers of Ferrari have also announced to do something similar. They have announced plans to join the world of electrification, just like most of the other automobiles. During one of the meetings, the chairman, John Elkann, passed a statement that Ferrari has done a lot of research and work, and now, finally, Ferrari is ready to launch and sell the first electric vehicle. Moreover, he also announced the year in which the car will come. By the year 2025, the world will see an electric car by the company Ferrari. However, this statement by the chairman contradicts the statement given by the former CEO of Ferrari, who stated that the company will never go fully electric. He said that Ferrari can't manufacture 100% electric vehicles, and he does not even see a point why the company will do it. 3. Perfection. Ferrari had never been clear on the plans of its electric vehicles, and previously it had passed a statement that it will go with the same pace it is going now. That is, it will never jump into making electric vehicles all of a sudden. The brand also announced that it will wait for the new technology of battery and electric motor to keep developing until it can produce a vehicle that fits with its position. All the brand wants is perfection, and so it will wait for the perfect materials to come together so that it can make the perfect electric Ferrari. 2. History. Ferrari has developed its name with a lot of hard work over the past 7 decades. When the name of a luxury car comes into the mind, the first name that lands in the minds of every person is Ferrari. With an extremely rich and prosperous history in racing, Ferrari has always been the epitome of elegance and power. The history of Ferrari began in 1929. Enzo Ferrari was a racing driver who established the sports car. The cars of Ferrari have always been portrayed as a symbol of luxury and wealth. After its establishment for several years, Ferrari limited its annual production figures to preserve the exclusivity of its cars. However, Since 2015, the company has steadily increased the number of cars it delivers to customers. Even if Ferrari sells 20,000 cars, those cars are extremely rare. Many models have been supplied by companies that are just limited edition and were given to only a few people. That means Ferrari has developed its objective and goals and knows its customers very well. The brand only caters to a certain niche. It is one of the brands that do not make cars according to the market's ongoing demand. The company makes a certain number of cars, irrespective of the demand. 1. Introduction. Every company nowadays has been only on one mission, and that is to develop methods of electrifying their production models. Ferrari is one of them. It is the most popular brand in Maranello. The makers of Ferrari are responsible for some of the most sonorous, soulful, internal combustion engines. This new invention will eventually help them to flow electrons in one of its latest vehicles. Although the famous and luxurious brand has never liked the idea of electrification, and in one of the interviews, it also claimed that it would never fully rely on the process of electrification. But now the brand has changed its vision and mission. It is now open to electrifying cars. However, the company has also made sure that it is not deceiving the internal combustion engine shortly. Ferrari has recently made a very big announcement. It has announced that it will soon unveil its first all-electric vehicle in 2025. Now, the question that arises is, what will the first electric vehicle of Ferrari look like? This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.